Hi everyone, so welcome back to another tutorial from the eye makeup series. And today you will learn another new eye makeup. So as you can see, the purple color I have taken from the palette Pretty All Set UCANBE and depositing it with the help of flat applicator to the outer edges of the eye. You can see. Now going to taken the color brinjal from the palette, giving more depth and blending this color. Taking the big blending brush, blending this color. Now taking the another color that is green from the palette. You can see with the help of flat applicator, applying it to the inner corner of the eye. Blending this color. Now taking the pink color, applying it to the mid of the eyelid. Blending this color. Taking the big blending brush, blur out all the lines. Taking the brinjal shade, giving depth to the color. Now taking the pressed green glitter, applying it with the help of flat applicator brush. Taking the pressed pink glitter eyeshadow, applying it to the mid of the eye. Now the lavender glitter eyeshadow, applying it to the corner of the eye. Taking some pigment in the color silver, applying to the mid of the eye or the inner corner. Now see the look after lashes. Now going to do the under eye work, and for this I am using Charm Work Beauty Ka Kajal pencil in the color white, applying it to the lower lash of the eye and smudging it with the help of smudging brush. Applying the mascara to the lower lash of the eye. So you can see here is the final look in front of you. So bye bye, take care, we'll meet in next tutorial.